So we are spending the day in Ikebukuro, walking around, looking for owl statues. The second part of the name Ikebukuro sounds like fukuro, which is the word for owl. And so basically the whole neighborhood is owl themed. So if you look around, basically there's just owls everywhere. And so we're going to try to hunt down as many as we can today. This is our first stop.
This is our first stop.
The most famous owl statue is actually down inside of Ikebukuro Station, which we already hit when we arrived. It's a popular meeting spot, the same way Hachiko is in Shibuya. So it's kind of crowded because there's a lot of people standing around it, to the point that you can't always see it because it's not very tall. Just outside of the station, and hopefully we can come back at night and see if these Christmas lights are on. Okay, so this is a police box, and it's designed to look like an owl face. This is Mitake Shrine, and it's a little more out of the way, a quieter part of the neighborhood. Little owl statue. Directions for using the water. They also have directions for praying, so I guess that means a lot of foreigners come here, maybe.
Well, no, because all the instructions are all in Japanese.
Oh, yeah. But look at it.
It's a little bug-eyed. But, you know.
I think these are cherry blossoms that are blooming out of season.
It's got 2-1.
Oh, hey, a rainbow.
Oh, hey, a rainbow.